Alright, if you like my channel, subscribe. I got a T740. We got a what is it, 001076 code. Means low or pressure is bad on injectors on the rail. So what we're doing is you take your cover off, which is 9/16. Take them two off first in the center, and then a 9/16 there and there. Take them four, it comes right off, opens everything up for you. So then you take off this return line, or some call it manifold or something. I don't know the proper 100% terminology. So there is clips, but if you just push on a T with your fingers on each side, they pop right off, nice and easy. I just put it up out of the way. Clean this good, because you're gonna be opening these up and taking this out. If you need to do injectors, it's 8mm. Take these off. This will slide out up there. They'll have to take all the lines off, but we're gonna do the test real quick. So I'm just gonna hit the key a second. Sorry, I can't be in two spots at once. Oh yeah, see how much fuel we got way down in here. We got a little there, and that was a wasp. Sorry about that. And we got a lot way down here. So I don't know how 100% accurate this is, but I'm gonna say this injector and that injector are bad. So after you remove the cover, these are 8mm, and that. And then I believe it's a 6mm Allen to pop out the injector and that. But yeah, as you can see, fuel only made it to here, but it made it all the way to here on that one, and all the way to here on that side. So yeah, see that one? Oh wow, there's fuel all the way down to there now. Same thing there. These other two, I would say that injector is probably pretty good yet. This one might be starting to go bad. I think there's programming you have to do to make sure your injectors are 100% in sync with your motor as it's going and that. So that I do not know how to do. I'll have to ask somebody or take it somewhere in their program. But for today, I'm going to remove this cover, take out the 6mm Allen bolts, and pull it out. And these pull on them when you're taking them out easy, and when going in, don't beat them with a hammer. They're just, you'll break them, and then you're gonna be really screwed at $300 a piece. So, and don't buy the China ones, or you'll be replacing them again. Hope you like, subscribe, hope this helps somebody. Thanks.